Yeah. Get him coming. I knew it, dude. It was too silent.
In the mirror,
It was too silent. I was too silent. I knew.
Light switch next to wooden box. Can be turned on Friday and left on until Sunday.
This white noise going through everybody's belongings.
I know.
Oh, that's a pretty neat light. I'd like to have that.
Yeah, it might freak out the children. Is this the basement?
Yeah, go down there.
Yes,
Fall in the
that's
hole.
where they put the children in the furnace.
Yeah.
Sweet.
What?
Fall down in the hole.
For real?
Oh, there's a Nightmare on Elm Street furnace down there.
Is there
Oh,
really?
yeah, there is. This is old school.
Yeah,
Can I just climb in there and just poke my head out of this thing and go, ah?
that'd be cool.
Yeah, don't ruin the gear.
Go on stage.
Wow, you need to calm him down.
Yeah, he can't have coffee too much because he gets all mad.
Oh, he stayed at your guys' house like
Yeah.
Where does this go?
Hey,
John!
Filming.
I got your beard cone.
Oh.
Now, Mike said that this door is like one of the claims, but you have to get it to stay shut first.
Yes, he doesn't even catch all the way.
Yeah, we couldn't get it to shut.
Yeah.
We got it shut. It's just not gonna stay shut.
I'm tired of it!
I definitely don't want that dress.
Not a door again, right? On an investigation.
Yeah.
Oh no. JJ has to take the hinges off.
If I get locked down here or outside anywhere, I'm leaving. I'm so tired of wrecking my knuckles trying to open doors.
That's it, I'm staying upstairs.
Okay, this is our meet point, you guys, yeah? Right in front of the stage? Is that a good idea? It's a good open area for everyone to come to? You want to do a big group thing and then everyone maybe go off in groups of 2?
Well, or
Because that would be a lot of noise too.
I think we should stick together. Just do upstairs, here, and then downstairs.
Sure, sure. If anybody's in here with us, I think they should come sit down and tell us some stories or talk about some stuff that happened here maybe. You worked here or saw a show. I could put some seats down here if they'll stay. I don't know. No. See, it means you're gonna have to come up here and sit down. You get a lot of whispering up there. You guys want to go up there? Go check it out? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna go see if you're around, or you wanna talk up there maybe. So that shadow was over by Tina, but down here. Are you unhappy the way this place was rebuilt? Would you rather have had it the way it was originally before the fire? You okay? Is there a lot of dust in your throat? Tina? What? Oh, there you are. So now, is there anybody down here with us since we're in the green room? We got some water down here. I think you should take a drink. Or maybe grab one of the cups, or help yourself.
Moist.
Why is it going off?
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Debbie.
That's one for the video.
What was it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, sorry, John.
Ashes.
It sounded like right behind me, I'm sorry.
It sounded like something hit something behind you guys.
Yeah.
Holy
Bath.
Dude,
How's your heart, John?
my heart is going 10 times. Whew. Okay, wow.
Roll. General.
Did you play the role of a general in here? That we found some army costumes in the boiler room.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Do you like to play the part of a general? Someone who's in power?
Cast.
Cast.
So were you a part of the plays here that went on here? Were there a lot of war plays when in 1901 when this place first opened up?
Oh, and it was December 11th, 1923 when it burned down. Yes.
Do we not interest you anymore?
You want me to go dance?
Okay, do it. Nice.
You like that? Can I sit here? Can I sit on someone?
Exercise.
Oh, you think we all should exercise?
Is that a fat joke, Bob?
Is the fly attacking you
I
now?
don't know, I think so.
Easy, Jenkins.
All I know is I
Easy.
felt something.
Yeah.
She's a little jumpy now.
Yeah, I am after that first thing.
Somebody help me up. I'm fat.
Easy, easy.
We are in lovely downtown Everett. Purdy. This movie theater we are investigating is quite unique. I like the layout inside. It's very awesome.
Do it. No, I did, I swear. Her and I just went up there to go put our EVP up there. And as soon as we got right to the chairs, there was someone like sitting down, like a white misty sitting down. And then I put my flashlight and it was gone.
It's the beard.
Okay, we're good.
So far you haven't really impressed us too much. Now would be a great time to make your presence known. Some of us are holding devices in our hands. Other devices are placed throughout the room. Some of these devices will pick up your voice. Other devices will visually let us know that you're here. The device I'm holding in my hand is one of those devices. If you come near it, it will light up.
We've been here since 8 o'clock tonight, and I want to get some proof. I think it's time that you show yourself, or you make proof that you're here. We've clearly made proof that we're here.
Feel free to knock on a door, or shut a door, or move something in the room. I'm giving you permission. You may touch me. In a non-sexual kind of way.
I understand.
Thanks. This isn't that kind of ghost hunting.
Trying to keep it G-rated. We came here tonight especially to talk to you guys. We heard some people coughing, we heard some whispers. We'd really appreciate it if y'all could come down here.
We understand if you're shy because you're curious, but we're curious too.
Why don't you push Joe? Would you give us some excitement? Touch the back of my head. You make it cold in here for all of us, not just us three on the couch.
Is that you trying to talk to us?
You want one of us to get up and dance or something? Sure, okay. Over there, by the stairs.
Yeah, when I heard the talking, that's what I heard was over there.
Okay, I'm coming to you now. Is that what we're going to have to do? We're going to have to chase you all over this place just so that we can get you to talk to me? I'm right here, standing up. I'm the one waving my arms around. Where are the lights?
Right at the top.
Come on. Say something.
My aunt lives pretty close here. Did you ever smuggle in liquor by chance up at Smuggler's Cove?
What the dude?
What was that?
There's
Who did
people
that?
outside.
That wasn't you just whispering right now?
No. I'm pretty sure it was
That
people
whisper didn't sound like it was with them.
Dude, it sounded like it was right next to my head.
Yeah, dude.
Really?
Like it was the whisper, and then like a little bit before it was finished, they started talking. And it did. It sounded like it was right there. You want everybody to sit down? Are you gonna finally tell us a story? Are you gonna try and finally talk to us?
We just heard you. Were you trying to tell us something?
Did you not appreciate Alicia's comment about the smuggling of whiskey?
Were you a rum runner?
Are you up there? Too shy to come down here? I'd rather you didn't keep your distance. Rather you get right up and close with us like you just did. You feel that we're asking too many questions? We're too curious? Did you guys hear that?
Mm-hmm.
What did it sound like?
Somebody.
It was up in the corner though. It was
Yeah.
like rustling around with something.
What was that?
That was upstairs.
Yeah, it was.
Here we have it.
There it is again.
It's like someone's running up the stairs.
There it is again.
Listen.
What is going on?
Jiggle the door handle. See if that's what it was.
The birds are going nuts out here.
Hey, I'm gonna go outside and see if anybody's on the balconies.
Okay.
Watch the K2 and the drink.
All those birds are probably making all that noise up there somehow.
No, I don't know about that.
No,
dude.
that clearly looked like somebody was. That sounded like somebody was walking around out here.
Yeah, that was like someone was walking up the stairs.
And all of these doors are shut.
Yeah, oh yeah. There's no handles on the outside, so you can't get in.
It sounded like somebody was like climbing on.
Like,
Yeah.
and then it stopped and it was,
And then the birds just started like freaking out.
Yeah, right in the area that we last heard the noise.
Nobody on the balcony. He's gonna walk up the stairs.
let's see. This
Yeah,
is,
let's see. I'm gonna go.
That
upstairs.
it was still happening.
Was
yeah.
it really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you up here? Is that what's going on?
Oh Jesus Christ.
The guy just standing there watching.
Whoa, what was that?
Why did the light turn off?
Yeah, who just turned the light off?
That was creepy because it's right next to me.
You guys?
All
I
heard
didn't
was-
touch the light. Nobody did.
Serious?
Yeah.
Those birds aren't that heavy.
Is there any more stairs?
Now the birds are calm.
Is there any more stairs? Like on the other side of the building or?
There's one's over there, up there, but there's, you can see from right there, there's nothing over there.
Clearly you're messing with us. Keep doing it.
We were just talking about packing up.
Now that we're getting ready to leave, you want to make some noise? Make some noise now. Neat trick. You can turn the lights off, turn them back on. Turn the lights on the stage on.
Are you that upset? Are you that enthused now that we're here? Are you now excited? Now you want to show us who you are and what you do? Messing with battery? Messing with recorders? Turning off lights? What's the deal? Are you down there or something now?
It's just the JJ. Interesting things happening here at the Everett Theater. Of course, not until we decide we want to leave do they happen, but should get some good evidence.
There was a couple experiences. We heard a lot of loud walking. We heard a lot of trampling up and down the stairs. We heard some trampling on the railing outside. A lot of unusual noises. There was tons of seagulls up above on the roof that were going just absolute nuts. We had a few whispers, and just not a lot of stuff that was extra, out of the ordinary. But we did get some evidence, I think. So until next time, we're gonna review the evidence, and we'll see you guys then. See ya.
Hey, Mitch.
What's going on?
Very nice.
Had a moment.
Yeah.
What? This isn't Mortal Kombat versus DC.
Sorry, I was like getting ready.
We're not doing that tonight. What is that? Was that your kick?
Yeah, dude, don't even mess around.
Your kick, huh?
Don't even mess
Take it out
around.
in the
I'll
shit.
judo chop you from right here.